Hello friends, welcome to Java tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about the class, which is an important part of the object-oriented programming language. Let's go through the definition. Classes are the fundamental building blocks of Java programs. All Java programs must return inside the class. A class contains both data and executable code. Here, data means variables and code means methods. Let's take a look how to declare a new class. You should declare a class in Java program. Member of classes is the most important part of the class, which contains variables, constructors, and methods. Let's go through the members of class. First of all, instance variable. The variable declares inside the class is called instance variable. Methods. Constructor. Constructors are special methods mainly used to initialize the object variables. Here is the structure of class. First of all, you should give the name of class, then data fields. In data field section, you should declare some variables of class. Then constructor mainly used to declare the object. Methods. Methods is used to perform any task. Let's take a look at the syntax of class. Here, the class is a keyword. Class name is the name of class. Type 1 is the data type of variable. Type 2 is the data type of method. Here, value 1 is the value of the method which you should pass while calling this method from the object. Body is the piece of code which is used to perform any specific task. Here is the example of class. Here the class name is rectangle. This is the instance variable. Here rectangle is the constructor. We will discuss more about it in next tutorial. Here the area is the method. Now let's take a look at the object. An object is an instance of class. An object is a heart of object-oriented programming language. A variable or methods in class can be accessed with creating object. Here is the syntax of object. Class name, object name equal to new class name. Here the new keyword is used to allocate the memory to object. Now, how to use the class, variables and methods in object. Here is the syntax for how to use the variable and methods of class in object. Object name is the name of object, then dot operator, which is used to link between object and class. Variable name is the name of instance variable in class. Here is the syntax how to call the class method using object name. Let's go through the example of class. This is the example of class. Here the class name is rectangle. Height and width are the instance variables of the rectangle class. Area is the method of rectangle class. Here inside area there is the product of height and width which is stored into result integer variable, and this method is used to print the result. Here our main class. This is the procedure how to declare a variable. Here R1 is the variable of rectangle class. Here R1 dot height, which refers to the height variable of the rectangle class, and 50 is the value which is assigned to R1 dot height. Same way 60 is the value which is assigned to R1 dot width. And here at last R1 object is calling the area method. Now, let's take a look at the output. Here, the important thing is while we saving this program, we should use only our main class name. Let's run our main class. So this is the statement which comes from the area method in the rectangle class. I hope now you have clear idea about the class and object.